having dinner with 5-year-olds.
We're having dinner with birds. Dinner with birds.
We have our own rainforest cafe.
Yes, we do.
We could have eaten in the house.
Oh no, it's more fun this way.
Yeah.
Much more fun this way.
Just double check that it's
I
mayonnaise.
want to share.
People are saying, "Oh my God,
This is
This is
no
crazy
manners."
people.
Here, I'm gonna get you a piece. It doesn't
No
bite so
manners.
much.
Are you having a good time?
Give it up.
Are you having a good time?
Here you go. Okay.
Are you having
Yeah.
a good time?
As long as your little beaky's busy, Bentley, you're welcome to stay at the party.
Yeah. Now, are you gonna be nice to me since I gave you that? Are we gonna be buds now?
I think he nodded yes.
Are you going to be good?
Hold on.
No, you can't have my
No.
fork.
You don't need a fork. It's tender. It's tender.
That's why you have a beak and some talons.
Are you having a good time? Are you having a good time? It's a Valentine's party. And we'll have to vacuum.
Bentley.
We'll have mice.
No.
Well, that was pretty good, I have to say.
Yes, you did.
For a blacksmith. But I gotta tell you, those fresh eggs were amazing.
That's
God. Are you having some coffee? No?
No.
Isn't that good?
You
huh?
should. That should remind you of your home turf. Yes. I don't think they grow it in Argentina, though, do they?
cocaine.
Want to enjoy every bite. Enjoy every bite.
This is like the breakfast table out of Alice in Wonderland. Happy unbirthday to you. To you.
Happy unbirthday to you.
You missed some over there. You missed some. Don't fall off the table.
What do you want with the fork?
Don't back up and fall off the table.
What? Yeah?
I want that coffee cake in my coffee. Yeah.
This is what Noah's dinner table must have been like.
Hey, don't break the coffee.
Yes, Bentley.
Ruby. Ruby says I can't fly. Ruby says I can't fly.
Oh.
That's all right. We got a towel in the middle.
Bentley,
Hey. Was that Bentley?
May
or
as
was
well.
No,
that-
that was Kalijah.
May as well bring Corky over. Make it a party.
No, now you guys. You're slowly
Well, you
moving me away from the table, Bentley.
You give them an inch, they take a mile.
I'm gonna go get a
Apparently, I did give him an
paper
inch.
towel. A few more paper towels.
I know. Your big brother spilt my coffee. Yes. Yes, he did.
Stop trying to break the coffee pot. Just a little bit, weren't you?
Now it's getting out of hand.
Yeah, it is. Is that good, Kalijah?
here, put them here.
Are you collecting forks over there?
Yeah, you got a
What?
Have you got a stealable item that used to be?
Yeah.
little-
They gotta get this table cleared off one way or the other.
Oh, God. You kids. It's
Oh,
only on Sundays we get to play. It's only on Sunday that we get to play. You want some? You don't get any.
What?
You didn't get
What do
very
you
much.
think, huh?
You didn't get very much, did you? Hey. Hey. Hey.
Here comes trouble.
You kids. Oh, yeah, you could have some pepper up your nose.
I don't think so.
You could have some pepper up your nose.
Yeah, we'll have everything off the table
This-
here.
Yeah.
Started out as a human male.
It was pretty orderly in the beginning. It's all gone to heck.
Leave it alone.
Oh, there
You
goes
don't need
Ken.
that, Debbie. Yeah, see?
Jeez.
You're breaking up the coffee.
He's getting
Yeah,
the pop
there
top
you
off the
It's just
can.
ripped apart.
What are you doing now?
You're gonna cut your tongue.
Hey, hey,
Yeah,
hey. We don't need to go see the man. Listen, hey, 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 don't bite me. Come here. Step.
Okay.
Hey, hey, hey. What are you doing? Biting me. You're biting me.
I don't know how
You
you
know,
can
that would
handle all
take-
four of them.
That was been ripped apart.
Don't even try it.
Was it
mister.
fun? Huh? Was it fun, babies?
And the big old quiet greenling. Yes.
Yeah.
Yeah. Big old placid guy. Yes. Hello. The Collider Wrecking Company has arrived. Hello.
What?
Where's your wrecking company? You need some more?
Oh, you don't need that.
A little swallow of coffee won't hurt.
I don't think he'll drink much.
Yeah, I don't think he will
I don't
either.
think he likes the taste of it.
Here.
I don't know why you can't have a spoon to play with. I don't know. I don't think you can damage it. Well, excuse me. Was that the wrong spoon? Okay.
Here, we'll just do it this way. There you go.
Hey, what are you doing? You want some? Did you get enough?
Oh, good
Hey, I
grief.
don't mind you drinking my coffee, but don't wash your feet in it. It's not a foot wide.
That's pretty funny. He was balanced right on top of
Oh,
the
yeah. Good thing I had a hold of it.
What are you doing now?
You would have tipped it over. You big blue monster.
Oh, you're not
Yes.
gonna eat it. We both know that. Yes, we
You're a
both
big
know
blue
that.
monster.
But
Such gentle giants you guys are. Yes, you are.
You want to get on the
It's a
table?
shame. You should have really shitty dispositions so people didn't take you out of the wild and
Yeah.
make pets out of you.
Right there.
Yeah,
Hi, Ruby.
you really should, Pet.
Yeah, but I don't trust you. Are you Sybil or who are you today?
She's been pretty good lately.
Dr.
See her
Jekyll or
ring? I was
Mr.
gonna show
Hyde?
you her rings.
Yeah.
Oh, stop.
Oh, yeah. Looks like an HB wing.
Okay, guys, say goodbye. You've made a total mess of it.
Oh, yes, that was a good dinner.
It was this formal dinner we had.
Valentine's